Here we are at Pathaway at Four Corners. The long ass run. We have a floor clean out here. You have to have one every 75 feet. Have another floor clean out here. Then we come up to the mop sink and the vent for the mop sink. Go down this way. We're going to catch a break room sink down at the end, but before we get there, we're going to catch a drinking fountain. This is the break room sink. We're going to head down right where we make a turn. We're going to put another floor clean out. Another drinking fountain. 2 sinks back to back. 2 floor drains back to back. 2 toilets back to back. Put another vent in between the 2 toilets. We're going to catch 2 more toilets back to back. 2 more floor drains back to back. We're going to branch over and catch another break room sink. And we have back to back bathroom sinks. Got a test on it with a bottle holding water. Everything is tight and right.